Well, it's a terribly windy day, so what better day than to change the tarp on the woodshed?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so today is my last chance to get this tarp changed before my firewood gets soaked once again.
The way it's flapping in the wind, I better get you guys set up somewhere where you can actually see before the wind takes this tarp off. Well, that looks a little different inside. You can actually see out. There's a lot more light in here. Well, this is 6mm poly, or vape barrier as you may call it. Always remember to charge your batteries before you do a project like this. My battery's dead. I only have one because the other one shorted out. And now I can't do anything until it's charged, or at least some juice into it. Well, what do you expect? Ever said it was going to be pretty? Can't say that. It's going to be functional. It'll work for this year. Next year it can get deleted. Hopefully I'll move the trailer next year, so the whole woodshed is going to go by anyway. Then I can build something better with a real tin roof. Well, just for the point of it, to do something properly, I will tape the seams.
Word of the wise, do not do this. Even taping the seams with the logs all uneven was an absolute nightmare.
Well, and just like that, hopefully it'll be a lot drier when it rains tomorrow.
Well, it's still really clear in here because the poly is almost clear. You can actually see in one side right through the other side. So we're gonna get lots of airflow.
As the winter gets snowy, I'll probably have to put something across here just to block this. But for now, get all the airflow through. The more airflow we can get, the more it's gonna dry the wood back out. It's dried considerably since I took the footage of the rain, but the more drying, the better. You can see some of the dark ones. Some of that's just different colored wood too. You can see that this one's pretty wet. I've been kind of sorting through and I've been picking out, and you can see that pile along the bottom. That's all wet stuff. I just keep throwing it down there. A lot of this is pretty wet. You can actually see a little bit of mold starting on the poplar. It'll dry out though. It's not super ideal to have the wood getting this wet this close to winter, but it will dry out as the air dries in the winter. On just even really breezy days like it is right now. It's not very warm, but it's very breezy, and without the tarp on the sides there now, I can feel it on my face, all the air coming through here. So that air movement will dry the wood considerably. Even cold windy days will dry the wood out. It's all stacked up. There's tons of airflow through the pile. You can see the gaps between the piles. I can actually feel air blowing from the other side right through here on my fingers. So that's good. That's getting air movement through the piles.